Another activity is the site analysis. Let me jump back to this right quick. One of the things we talked about earlier was being able to analyze cut and fill and what happens if you do move the buildings on this part of the campus. And Kimon identified that there was a drainage channel through this area, and so we modeled that in DProfiler. And this information initially came from Google Earth, by the way. In the original charrette that we did in November, we imported civil information from Google Earth. Later in the project, we were able to work with the Leo A. Daly civil team, and they provided actual CAD files that we were able to import. But we did this. This was, I believe, this particular analysis that you're seeing on the screen occurred shortly after the charrette. It was around December the 20th, and it was just to highlight the issues associated with building over on this part of the property and the drainage channel that would have to be built to accommodate that, or the retention pond that would have to be built, and then the redirection of runoff to accommodate that. It returns back.
Red and blue.
The red and blue is indicating cut and fill. So the blue is fill areas and the red is cut areas.
I think you got it backwards. That's the stream that runs in the red.
The red is the cut, the new cut, in order to accommodate the new runoff on the site. This is the original proposed contour, and so it runs. Yeah, so we basically pushed it off to the right. That's the extent, and then there's a new retention or detention pond on the south side of the site to accommodate that. You also can't see this, but this gives you site balance information related to how much cut and how much fill. And in one of the final submittals by Leo A. Daly, they focus on an area more central to the campus, which greatly reduces the amount of cut and fill in that proposal. So in December, we analyzed 4 different schemes. This is just a quick diagram showing the 4. Yeah, if you can see it, the red lines indicate existing topos. And so you can see how that channel does kind of come through here, and this road is a bridge that goes over that. The one that I've got up on the screen is the blue is showing the proposed topos for this one concept. And so this is a concept that moved all the new construction over to the west side of the site effectively. And so we're just responding to the information that came from the civil site drawing. So there's 2 concepts here. One is being able to import information in from Google Earth and being able to work with that and using that constructively, and then also being able to later integrate with the team, with the civil engineer. We had conversations back and forth about, well, what if we do this, what if we do that, and demonstrating that.